Morning to all of you. It's Ashish Sisodia. Students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So today we are going to start exercise 7.3 from question 11. Today is 11th of September 2020 and day is Friday. So let's start. What must be subtracted from a cube b plus 6a square b square minus 7ab plus 4 to get minus 7a square b square plus 2a cube b plus 6ab minus 1? Means what must be subtracted from this expression? Okay, we don't know what must be subtracted. So if you don't know that what number or what particular expression, you have to subtract it from this to get the answer. Answer is this. So you can assume here any of the letter. So I assume here let A must be subtracted from this algebraic expression to get this. Okay, so first of all write over there this expression. Okay, this expression I write here. Now from this expression a must be subtracted, so minus a. Okay, a is that expression which is required, which is asked in question, that what must be subtracted. So we get, if we subtract a from this, we get this expression. So minus 7 a square b square plus 2a cube b plus 6ab minus 1. So students, now you have to find out the value of a, and a is negative. So you can move this a to the right side. So it becomes, then it turns into positive a. Okay, and the algebraic expression, whatever on the right side, please move all the terms. Please move this expression to left side. Okay, because we have to solve both the expressions to get the value of a. So now this expression remains same, which is a cube b plus 6a square b square minus 7ab plus 4. And now it's time to move this algebraic expression to the left side. Okay, so when this expression moves to left side, all terms which has negative sign, they become positive, and which has positive sign, they become negative. Okay, so this is minus 7a square b square, it becomes plus 7a square b square, and plus 2a cube b becomes minus 2a cube b, and plus, because you are changing the place, because you are changing the side of this expression, that's why all the signs become changed, all the signs have changed, and minus 6ab and minus 1 becomes plus 1. Okay, then we put here equal, and because we move this a to the right side, so here is a. Okay, so now solve this expression. First of all, we have to find the like terms. This is a cube b, and there is also a cube b term. Okay, so these are the like terms. So this is a cube b, means there is 1. Okay, there is coefficient 1, and there is minus 2. So when you subtract 1 from minus 2, you got minus 1. So minus a cube b you will write. Please don't show here 1 coefficient. Okay, next 6a square b square, there is also a square b square term, so both are positive terms. So we will add 6 plus 7, 13, plus 13 a square b square. Then we have solved these terms. So next is minus 7ab and minus 6ab. So students, minus minus becomes plus. So 7 plus 6, 13. minus 13ab. Next there is, we have solved this. Now 4 and 1 are left. So 4 plus 1 equal 5 and equal to a, as it is we will write. So it is the value of a, students, actually. Okay, means this algebraic expression you have to be subtracted from this expression to get this answer. Okay, so it is answer. A equals x square plus xy minus 6, b equal 6xy minus 2x square plus 1, and c equals to 3x square plus 7 minus 3xy. Then you have to find the values of a minus b plus c. Students, in this question values of a, b and c are given. So it is clear that we have to put the values which are given in questions in this equation. Okay, so let's put the values. Value of a is this, so please put this value at the place of a. So equal x square plus xy minus 6, which is the value of a. Then minus b, so we put here minus, and value of b is 6xy minus 2x square plus 1. So we use here bracket because there is a negative sign. So 6xy minus 2x square plus 1 as it is. Okay, then plus c, so we put here plus sign, and value of c is this. So write here 3x square plus 7 plus, sorry, minus, this is minus 3xy. So let's solve this question. X square plus xy minus 6. Then now we have to remove this bracket. So this is minus 6xy, and minus 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 becomes plus 2x square, and minus plus becomes minus 1. Okay, then plus 3x square plus 7 minus 3xy as it is. Okay, now students, you have to choose the like terms for solving this equation, for solving this expression. There is x square, and where is next x square? Actually 2x square and 3x square. So all the terms has x square variable, so these are like terms. So plus x square means there is 1x square. Students, if you cannot see any digits just before the variables, so please assume or suppose that variable that is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2 3 and 3 6, so equal 6x square. Then xy, there is also xy. Okay, and there is also xy. So first of all, minus 6xy minus 3xy. Students, always remind that minus minus becomes always plus, but with negative sign. Okay, so minus 6 and minus 3 becomes plus 9 and with negative sign. So minus 9xy, but we have already xy plus xy. Okay, then plus xy means minus 9 plus 1 got minus 8xy. Okay, so minus 8xy. Then there is 6 and there is 1, minus 1 and there is 7. So minus 6 and minus 1 becomes minus minus plus 7, but with negative sign because both are negative, and plus 7. So we can cut minus 7 to plus 7. So answer is 6x square minus 8xy. So students, you have to solve all the part of this question 12 like this. Okay, after putting the values of a, b and c. Students, today's homework is question 12. First part and third part you have to do like second part what I have explained you just now, and question 13 you have to solve question 13 just same as question 9. Okay, yesterday I have explained you question 9, so please follow the same method for solving this question.